Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make super beautiful, elegant and quick birthday card using elements from the box of sunshine. Here you can have a look at all the papers from the box, and they were all designed by Marta from the Drop of Sunshine. And all the links to her YouTube channel, her Facebook group, Drop of Inspiration, are in the description down below, so you can check them out. Also, last week I did unboxing video, and the link to it is in the description and also in the top right corner if you're interested. And I really encourage you to check it out because all the elements are simply gorgeous. For today's card, I decided to use that beautiful background panel, some 3D flowers and a ribbon. And that ribbon was actually an extra in the bag that was in the beautiful box. Now, first I'm going to cut my panels, and I've got 300 GSM white cut and also that beautiful background trimmed to a square shape. And to add even more interest to my card, I decided to use scissors and distress all the edges. I wonder, have you ever tried that trick in your card making? If you have, what occasion did you use it for? Please let me know, because this is super quick and easy, and yes, it gives more interest to your project, and I really like it. What do you think about this? When this is ready, I thought, yes, it is still beautiful, it gives more interest, but I decided to use a little bit more pink color on the edges to, yes, have that wow effect. Now I'm using my ink blending tool, and these pigment inks actually come from my stash, and I bought those like in 30 pigment inks cubes from Hobbycraft 6 or 7 years ago, and as you can see, they still work fine. And yes, I've got that color on all the edges, and all the names of the products will be in the description down below, so you can check them out if you're interested. Now when these panels are ready, I'm going to die cut my focal element, and I decided to use that beautiful ribbon cutting die from Crafter's Companion. I thought it will work really beautifully for today's project, especially with that amazing ribbon, which was a free gift in the box. And again, I'm using my ink blending tool and that pigment ink to add the same color on the edges, because this way I'll make sure that everything matches beautifully. And here, as you can see, I've got the back of all the elements that I fussy cut, and this beautiful circle element on your special day just works perfectly for today's project. Now, to make it super simple to thread the ribbon, I put a little bit of masking tape on the back, and this worked magically here, and I really encourage you to do the same. This ribbon was actually a little bit wider than it should, but still I decided to use it because it has that beautiful gold thread on the edges, and maybe you can't see it on the video, but in real life it's just so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Marta, for this ribbon. It is perfect for this project. And as you can see, with all the elements from the box of sunshine, you can either make super quick cards or very detailed cards as well for any occasion. That's why this box is absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to cut the ends of the ribbon, and just to make sure they don't go undone, I'm going to use a little bit of light here. And when you do it, just be careful, because we don't want to burn the ribbon and the paper. So yes, just be careful. And to make sure that everything is adhered properly, I'm going to use a tiny bit of double-sided tape and a pokey tool, and the ends will be stuck there and will not move anywhere. This is a really nice trick when you use a ribbon. Now, to add even more interest, I decided to use double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension. And I think that is the best option for this card. As you can see, this card is super quick because Marta's design papers are just so gorgeous. You don't really need much for the cards. And whenever you use double-sided foam adhesive, I strongly encourage you to use some liquid glue first, then double-sided foam adhesive and liquid glue again. And I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because it will stay forever. Whatever you stick, trust me, It is the best glue in the world, and if you have never tried it, I really encourage you to do it. Now when this is ready, I can start putting all the elements together, and as usual I've got double-sided tape on the back of my panels and use a drop of my liquid glue on the back and then putting it together. And now I've got 6 by 6 inches card base, and I'm going to adhere that background panel first. And this way I'll make sure that everything is even on my project. Super quick and easy. And this card is perfect for birthday, but also maybe someone celebrates name day that you know, so you can use that card as well for this beautiful occasion. Now I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing of the tape, and yes, again I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because yes, everything will stay forever. And when this is done, I thought I need to add those stunning 3D flowers. And actually, I'm not really sure, but Marta made them herself. She literally shaped all those flowers herself, and she put that beautiful berry in the middle. And that pearl color inside those flowers, it's just stunning. And even my husband said, they are just so beautiful, you have to use them for this card. So yes, I have to, and I did. And I'm really glad I did, because they work so beautifully with that background paper and that ribbon. So yeah, our card is nearly done, and it wouldn't be me if I didn't add any small gems. So that's exactly what I did here. I added a few of pink and purple gems on the card, and the project is complete. Super quick, simple, and yes, you're ready. And yes, I will have more cards using Box of Sunshine because all the elements are simply gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye for now!